How to set up fraud alerts for your account on Truist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up fraud alerts on your Truist account to help protect against unauthorized activity. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for the Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here, you simply have to log in with your credentials and once logged in on your main dashboard, you simply have to open the profile and settings or alerts and notification section and select fraud alerts, security alerts or suspicious activity alerts from the list of alert type. And there you simply have to choose how you want to get alerts like from email, text messages or push notifications. And there, once you're done with that, you simply have to enter and confirm your contact details. And with that, you just have to click save or confirm to activate your fraud alert. And that's it. With that, your fraud alerts will be set up with your Truist account. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.